Hello and welcome to Cindy at 40. Apologising is expressing regret for something that one has done wrong. An apology is a statement that has two key elements. 1, it shows your remorse over your actions. 2, it acknowledges the hurt that your actions have caused to someone else. We all need to learn how to apologise. After all, no one is perfect. We all make mistakes and we all have the capability to hurt people through our behaviours and actions, whether these are intentional or not. It is not easy to apologise, but it's the most effective way to restore trust and balance in a relationship. When you've done something wrong, there are many reasons why you should make a sincere apology when you've hurt someone unnecessarily or have made a mistake. 1, an apology opens a dialogue between yourself and the other person. 2, when you apologize, you also acknowledge that you engaged in unacceptable behavior. 3, it helps you rebuild trust and re-establish your relationship with the other person. 4, it gives you a chance to discuss what is and isn't acceptable. 5, you restore dignity to the person you hurt. If you do not apologize when you've made a mistake, 1, you will damage your relationship with colleagues, clients, friends, family. 2, it can harm your reputation. 3, it can limit your career opportunities. 4, it can lower your effectiveness. And 5, others may not want to work with you. If you want to make an apology, follow these steps. 1, express remorse and admit responsibility. 2, make amends. 3, promise that it won't happen again and mean it. Don't offer excuses when you apologize. Otherwise, you sound as if you're trying to shift blame away from yourself to someone else or something else. So take the time today to apologize to someone that you've hurt. It could make a very big difference. Thank you and see you next time.